Motorcycling is all about freedom, control, and the thrill of the ride, but the right gadgets can completely transform that experience. In this video, we're exploring 15 motorcycle gadgets every rider must have, carefully selected to improve safety, comfort, convenience, and overall riding performance. From smart communication systems and navigation tools to emergency gear and practical accessories, each item is designed to solve real problems riders face on the road. Whether you're a daily commuter or a long-distance tourer, these gadgets can make every journey smoother, safer, and more enjoyable. Let's dive into the must-have upgrades that every modern rider should consider for a smarter riding experience. MOTOEYE E6 brings smart technology straight to your helmet, turning every ride into a safer and more connected experience. This advanced HUD system places navigation, speed, calls, and music directly in your line of sight, so there's less need to look down at your phone while riding. It supports Bluetooth and Wi-Fi, making connection with your smartphone fast and seamless. CarPlay and Android Auto compatibility give riders instant access to maps and media on the go. One of its standout features is the mesh intercom system, allowing multiple riders to communicate clearly over distance. Noise reduction technology helps keep conversations sharp even at higher speeds. The transparent display remains visible in bright daylight and at night, improving awareness in changing conditions. With voice controls, remote operation, and IP66 waterproof protection, the MOTOEYE E6 feels built for real riders who want convenience, communication, and smarter road safety every single day. The Kaedear KDR-M3D is a smart motorcycle accessory built for riders who want clean style and everyday convenience. Instead of adding bulky gadgets to your handlebar, this slim charging unit blends neatly into the setup while providing useful power on every ride. It features both USB Type-A and Type-C ports, giving you the flexibility to charge phones, cameras, GPS devices, or other riding gear with ease. Fast charging support through QC 3.0 and PD technology helps keep devices ready in less time. Durability is another major advantage, with a sliding waterproof cap and internal rubber sealing designed to handle rain and outdoor conditions. Installation is simple thanks to its adapter system and SAE connector, making setup quick and hassle-free. Built for 12 volts motorcycle systems, it converts power efficiently while keeping everything organized. The Kaedear KDR-M3D is perfect for riders who want practicality, performance, and a cleaner cockpit every day. Fanttik X9 Pro is a compact tire inflator designed to save riders when flat tires strike unexpectedly. Powered by a rechargeable battery, this portable air compressor works for motorcycles, cars, bicycles, and more without needing external power. One of its best features is speed, capable of boosting tire pressure quickly so you can get back on the road fast. With a maximum pressure of 150 psi, it handles different tasks with ease. The digital display shows real-time pressure readings, while the auto-stop function shuts off once the target PSI is reached, removing guesswork completely. Preset modes make switching between vehicle types simple and convenient. Its lightweight body is easy to carry, and built-in storage keeps accessories organized. The battery supports extended use, making it reliable during emergencies. With smart cooling technology and fast operation, the Fanttik X9 Pro is a practical must-have for every rider today. The ISEYOU Thigh Bag is a practical riding accessory made for bikers who need quick access to essentials on the road. Worn securely on the waist and thigh, it keeps your phone, wallet, keys, tools, and small gear within easy reach without searching through pockets or backpacks. Multiple storage compartments help organize items neatly, making every ride more convenient. Its water-resistant material adds protection from rain, dust, and daily outdoor use, keeping valuables safer in changing weather. Adjustable waist and thigh straps provide a secure fit, helping the bag stay stable during fast rides, turns, or rough roads. The ergonomic design reduces unwanted movement and keeps comfort high without affecting riding posture. Compact yet functional, it adds storage without extra bulk. Whether for city commuting or long-distance touring, the ISEYOU Thigh Bag offers smart convenience, comfort, and secure carry for riders who value easy access everywhere. FODSPORTS Motorcycle Cup Holder. The FODSPORTS Motorcycle Cup Holder is a simple accessory that adds real convenience to every ride. Designed for long trips and daily commutes, it keeps your drink secure and within easy reach while you stay focused on the road. Its adjustable base fits different cup and bottle sizes, making it useful for water bottles, coffee cups, or travel mugs. Built from aluminum alloy and durable TPE materials, it is made to handle vibrations, bumps, and outdoor conditions, The heavy-duty clamp uses anti-slip padding to grip handlebars firmly without causing scratches or damage. A full wrap frame helps prevent drinks from bouncing out on rough roads, adding extra confidence while riding. The 360-degree rotation feature lets you position the holder exactly where it feels comfortable. Easy to install and compatible with motorcycles, bikes, and ATVs, the FODSPORTS cup holder delivers comfort, practicality, and smarter hydration on every ride. F1 is a powerful motorcycle dash cam designed for riders who want safety, evidence, and clear road awareness. Its dual camera system records 4K video at the front and 1080p at the rear, giving full coverage during every ride. Equipped with a Sony Starvis sensor and WDR technology, it captures sharp footage in daylight, night rides, and difficult lighting conditions. The IP67 waterproof rating means it can handle rain, dust, and harsh outdoor environments without trouble. Built-in GPS records routes, speed, and location data, adding useful travel details and extra security. Wi-Fi connectivity allows riders to view and download footage directly to a smartphone with ease. A smart G sensor automatically locks important clips during sudden impacts or accidents, preventing them from being overwritten. Parking mode continues monitoring when parked. Reliable and feature-packed, the Vantrue F1 is a smart companion for serious riders everywhere. The AstroAI L7 is a smart emergency gadget designed to keep riders ready for unexpected problems on the road. Its main feature is a powerful portable jump starter that can revive dead 12 volts batteries quickly, making it useful for motorcycles, cars, and other small vehicles without needing outside help. It also includes a built-in air compressor capable of reaching up to 150 psi, allowing riders to fix low tire pressure anytime, anywhere. This 2-in-1 design saves space while replacing multiple tools. The AstroAI L7 also works as a power bank, letting you charge phones, GPS devices, or other electronics during travel. For added safety, it includes an LED flashlight with standard, strobe, and SOS modes for emergencies or nighttime use. Compact and easy to carry, it fits perfectly in storage compartments or bags. The AstroAI L7 is practical protection for every rider today. The PUERSI helmet holder is a smart storage solution designed to keep your riding gear organized and ready for the next trip. Built with durable aluminum and a stainless steel support ball, it securely holds helmets while helping maintain their shape over time. The rounded support design spreads weight evenly, reducing pressure inside the helmet lining. One of its best features is the 180-degree rotating arm, allowing you to adjust the position based on your room, garage, or entryway setup. This makes it useful for both storage and display. Its wall-mounted design saves shelf and floor space, creating a cleaner and more organized area. An extra hook underneath adds more convenience, giving you a place for jackets, gloves, keys, or accessories. Easy to install and practical for daily use, the PUERSI helmet holder is perfect for riders who want cleaner spaces and smarter gear storage every day. The RaptorX D1 is a modern motorcycle security device built to protect your bike from theft with smart technology and strong physical design. At its core, this advanced disc lock uses hardened materials and dual-core anti-grinder construction to resist cutting, breaking, and forced removal attempts. It offers serious protection against common theft methods used today. What makes it even more impressive is Bluetooth connectivity with encrypted keyless access, allowing riders to unlock it without carrying traditional keys. Through its mobile app, users can receive real-time tamper alerts if someone touches or moves the bike. An integrated alarm system activates during suspicious activity, adding another powerful layer of deterrence. The rechargeable battery charges through USB-C and is designed to last for months, reducing daily maintenance. Compact, practical, and highly secure, the RaptorX D1 gives riders extra peace of mind whether parked at home or outside anywhere. The Zonasyrn Motocross helmet is built for riders who demand strong protection and comfort during off-road adventures. Designed with a durable ABS outer shell and impact-absorbing EPS inner liner, it helps reduce force during collisions while giving riders added confidence on rough terrain. This full-face helmet is ideal for motocross tracks, dirt trails, and everyday riding. One of its standout features is the advanced ventilation system, using multiple air vents to keep fresh airflow moving inside and reduce heat during long rides. Comfort is also a priority, with a removable inner lining that makes cleaning easier and improves long-term use. The secure fit helps keep the helmet stable during jumps, bumps, and aggressive riding conditions. Some versions also feature a modern LED-style display design for a unique visual look. Practical, protective, and stylish, the Zonasyrn Motocross helmet is made for serious riders everywhere today. The ASMAX S1 is a smart mesh motorcycle intercom system designed for riders who travel in groups and need reliable communication on the road. Unlike basic Bluetooth headsets, it uses advanced mesh networking to keep conversations stable even when riders move apart. It supports up to 8 riders in a single group, allowing smooth and continuous communication without frequent disconnections. With Bluetooth 5.4 and mesh hybrid technology, pairing becomes faster and signal stability improves significantly. One of its standout features is Cloud Talk mode, which enhances group communication flexibility beyond traditional limits. The device also includes AI offline voice control, letting riders manage functions hands-free while focusing on the road. Built with IPX7 waterproof protection, it performs well in rain, dust, and harsh conditions. Noise reduction technology helps maintain clear audio even at high speeds. Fast charging support ensures long riding sessions with minimal downtime, making it ideal for touring riders. The Intelligent Cranium ICR is a next-generation smart motorcycle helmet designed to completely transform the riding experience. Instead of being just protective gear, it works as an integrated digital system built around a full-color heads-up display. This HUD projects real-time information directly into the rider's field of view, including navigation, speed, alerts, and system notifications, helping riders stay focused on the road without checking external devices. The helmet also includes built-in cameras with wide rear coverage, offering up to a 240-degree view to reduce blind spots and improve awareness in traffic. For communication, it supports rider-to-rider connectivity, making group rides easier without extra intercom devices. Safety is enhanced through crash detection technology that can send automatic emergency alerts if an accident occurs. With voice control, smartphone integration, and advanced navigation features, the ICR combines multiple smart systems into one futuristic helmet built for modern riding. The Favoto motorcycle cover is a practical solution designed to protect your bike from everyday outdoor conditions. Built with durable 300D Oxford fabric and a waterproof inner coating, it helps shield motorcycles from rain, dust, UV rays, and wind damage. This makes it suitable for long-term outdoor parking as well as daily use. Its universal fit design covers most motorcycles up to around 96.5 inches, including street bikes, cruisers, and touring models. To keep the cover secure in strong winds, it includes elastic hems and adjustable buckle straps that prevent slipping or flapping. For added security, built-in lock holes allow riders to pass a chain or cable through the cover and wheel, helping reduce theft risks. Reflective strips improve visibility at night, making the parked bike easier to notice in low light. It also comes with a storage bag for easy folding and transport, making it convenient for riders everywhere. The RAM X Grip is a widely trusted motorcycle phone mount designed to keep your device secure while offering full flexibility on the road. It features a spring-loaded X-shaped design that grips your phone from all 4 corners, making it compatible with a wide range of smartphones, even with protective cases. One of its strongest features is the RAM ball and socket system, which allows nearly unlimited adjustment angles for the perfect viewing position. Riders can easily switch between portrait and landscape modes depending on navigation needs. Built from marine-grade aluminum, stainless steel, and high-strength composite materials, it is designed to handle vibration and rough riding conditions. For extra security, an optional tether can be used to keep the phone safe during extreme rides. The modular system allows installation on handlebars, brake reservoirs, or fork stems, making it highly versatile. The RAM X Grip remains a reliable choice for everyday riders. ZYON Helmet. The ZYON Helmet represents a new generation of smart motorcycle gear that combines protection, health features, and connected technology in one system. Built with advanced safety engineering, it includes MIPS rotational impact protection, designed to reduce injury risk during angled crashes. It also meets high safety standards like ECE 22.06, making it suitable for real road use. One of its most unique features is the integrated breath-safe air filtration system, which helps reduce exposure to dust, pollution, and harmful particles while riding in traffic-heavy environments. For visibility, it includes an active rear light system with braking detection, improving safety at night or in low-light conditions. The helmet is also connected through a smart chip and mobile app, allowing riders to monitor air quality, helmet status, and maintenance alerts. With lightweight construction, ventilation, and comfort-focused padding, the ZYON helmet delivers a modern, tech-driven approach to motorcycle safety.